So children, today we are going to continue with the chapter tools of word processor. Moving the text. That means the location of the text is changed from one place to another. In this slide, children, we will learn how to cut and paste the text. In cut and paste the text, we move the text. So to cut the text, we should select the text, then go to the Home tab, then click on the scissor cut option of the clipboard and bring the cursor to your desired location. You can see the cursor blinking over here in front of CPU box, and now again go to the Home tab, click paste option. Again you want to select the word hard disk, so you will select the word hard disk, then again go to the Home tab, click the cut option, and from there you will bring your cursor in front of the hard disk, then click on the Home tab and then paste. So you can see that the text that has been cut is moved from the original location. Again we will click on the DVD, select the word DVD, go to the Home tab, click on the cut option and bring your cursor to your desired location, that is in front of the picture of DVD. Again go to the Home tab and click on the paste button and click paste. So this is called moving the text. That means we are selecting the text and then cutting the text from its original place and moving it to some other location. This is called moving the text. When we copy the text, we don't move the text from the original location. In copying the text, we duplicate the text. That means it is present in its original location also and in the new location also. When we copy the text, we don't move that text from its original location. We duplicate the text. Example, we want to copy the CPU box from the hint box. So we will select the word CPU box, go to the Home tab and click on the copy option. Bring your cursor in front of the picture or your desired location, go to the Home and then click on the paste button. So you can see the CPU box in the original location also and in the new location also. Again I want to select the hard disk, go to the Home tab, select copy, bring the cursor to the desired location, go to the Home tab, click paste. Again select DVD, Home tab, copy, bring your cursor to the new location and paste. So just we have to select the word, go to the Home tab, then we will copy and then we will paste again from the Home tab. This is called copying the text and duplicating the text. So that is all for today, children. You have to write the steps of moving the text and copying the text in your notebook in a new page. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, stay safe and bye.